Hi, my name is Satrom, and I work for a company called Blues Wireless. And our goal, our mission is to democratize building developer-friendly IoT. Now, if you have ever done anything in the Internet of Things, whether it's messing with a microcontroller or using a Raspberry Pi or trying to build a Wi-Fi or cellular connected product, you have probably experienced the complexity of the space. It can actually be really difficult to get started and to scale up a product in this space. And we encounter a lot of developers that previously have worked in the space. They mess with Arduino, they may have tinkered with a Raspberry Pi in the past, and they walked away from it largely because it was difficult, because they didn't feel like paying for monthly data plans for cellular SIM cards. They didn't want to pull out an old AT commands manual in order to talk to a cellular modem or something along those lines. There's myriad reasons why developers tend to struggle in this space. And we started Blues Wireless with that express purpose of actually making it possible for developers to build IoT applications. And our founder, Ray Ozzie, formerly of Lotus and Microsoft, started this company to bring the same sort of democratized, developer-focused set of ideas to the IoT space as he worked previously in Notes and at Microsoft on the early days of Azure. And so really all of our DNA is about giving developers tools that make it really easy to work with our products. And so you'll find when you work with Blues Wireless products, with a note card in particular, that you're talking JSON to devices. And JSON is a technology, a language that any developer can easily understand and work with. We have support for multiple languages like Python and Go and JavaScript and you name it. It's really easy to work with the products, and the whole goal is to remove all those barriers and that complexity of working with IoT devices, whether it's Wi-Fi, whether it's cellular, whether it's even standards like LoRa and LoRaWAN, so that developers can finally actually deliver and ship products. And it's a really exciting time to be in this space, because I think we are really on the cusp of growth of billions of devices in the IoT, and it's really going to take developers that are interested in jumping back in, maybe jumping in for the first time, but for many of us, jumping back in and working with these technologies. So I hope you'll check out Blues Wireless, but I hope that you'll consider getting back into the world of IoT.